Okay, I'm back and going to finish up camouflaging the Hawker Hurricane Mark One. As you can see, I've got it all masked up for the top. Everything that you see that isn't masked is going to be this RAF dark green. So it's a combination of XF58 and XF62. So it's 5 times XF62, 1 time XF58. So it turns it into a nice dark green. And these are Tamiya colors. Again, that's what I use. Um, so I'm not using the mask this time. Um, and I found out why I had so much trouble that one time. It was because I didn't have the microphone system on. So that would be what caused me some issues. Not, and I probably shouldn't talk with the machine going anyway, but that was the issue. I think this is going to be a nice green. And I've really thinned it out, so I think it'll go on much nicer. I like the design on this camouflage scheme. It always takes me a little while longer to do it. You'd think that would be something that would be easy, but I always find it difficult. I always end up possibly covering the wrong part, doing those kinds of things. And I was impressed with the little bit of shading that I did. I shocked myself. It did show up. I was quite surprised. It was light, but it was showing up. And initially, I couldn't really see it, and it may be because of the color. Oh, we ran out of paint. So I'm going to have to fill the cup again. I'm going to have to look at maybe getting that. I've got a Apache Raptor, and I was thinking of maybe getting the Apache Talon because it's a larger cup. So working on 148, that might not be a bad thing. So we're going to see how this is going to work out. As you can see, I'm having some issues just of my own, keeping track of where the heck I'm going with the gun. I think I've pretty well got it. I think it's looking pretty darn good. I think what I'll do is put it up there, move it over here, and just check and see how it's working. It's touching there. Ooh, you know what, guys? I think that's it. That's good for today. Um, I've been having a lot of fun with this kit, and it's been going together good. So again, it's going to be a Douglas batter kit, and yeah, so it's going good. And with that, if you like the video, please press the like button. If you want to hear more about what's going on, where I'm at with different things with this hobby, uh, press the bell and you'll get the warning when I've got something up and running that's new. And please subscribe. I appreciate comments, and I look forward to seeing more of your people's work. Thank you very much.